Alright traders, hello. It is the 7th of April 20. Some chart analysis for you. Got the Aussie dollar 1 hour time frame up. And look, a couple of points to take away. RBA have held the rate, which, I discussed as well, and also on weekly Forex update with you. So, recently, where we currently are, we've seen a little bit of previous price action, as you can see. Just with the 1 hour time frame, right here, but I'm just suggest a situation. I'm into the European session, then into the US session. If we see continued strength into the London session, and if it's still up, this could be a long. But I did try and bring it up, and we have okay. All right, so they've provided some clues about. I'll just get this out of the way. I did have a read of this just before as well. Just Forex Live, sometimes they'll just, bring out some interesting commentary, and it's just a good source of free news as well. So it's sort of that they're not making, an aggressive move for quantitative easing, but they're just sort of saying they'll see how it goes, and it's like a metered approach, which is which is sensible. Nice. So we'll see. I mean, overall, and I've discussed how having a lower interest rate isn't the worst thing. Lower exchange rate against the US, sorry, with the Aussie. I mean, it's good for our exports too. Let me just see if there's some other articles here as well. I am having some internet issues for some reason, so we'll go back to the chart. Let us also have a look at gold. That's definitely been quite interesting. Let's just have a look at spread as well. Wow, the spread's actually tightened up quite a bit. Ooh, it's trickle high. So I did this, and I talked about how it could squeeze lower, and it sort of moved, quickly to what was the low there. If it wants to load for me, it doesn't. The internet was good, and then it's not good. I'm sorry, but it looks, around 1570 or so was the low, and then it, where it's currently trading it sort of looks long. The spread right now for me is pretty good, like really good. So that is pleasing to see. Again, I'll wait for things to play out in the US session before making a call on this one, guys. Just scan to the euro as well. I'll just keep it to the majors right now. Alright, so we'll go to the 1 hour and see what it's doing in this range now. Seems to be topping out. We're going to watch that carefully. That could be a short. Again, I'll wait until the New York session for that one though, just to see how the US dollar holds up. There's a lot going on, and the case numbers are enormous in America, with the deaths just over 10,000 now, so that's something to pay attention to. It's going to have a lot of economic effects in the States. Indices have rallied a little bit as well, but I mean, it's just, to me, it still looks like a short-term bounce within the grand scheme of things. You have to see that there's going to be some significant effects, to a lot of companies in the US. It's going to be very costly, probably government bailouts. It's Euro pound, uneventful right now. Sort of a bounce off that level. It didn't quite get down there, but it sort of looks like it's finding a little bit of strength right now. And USD CAD, it's so-so. Again, just waiting for oil to see what it does as well. It's sort of below $27 a barrel right now for crude, so that's going to potentially weaken the USD CAD. So this time of day, though, I'm not trading. I'm just sort of like putting together a couple of plans, and then waiting and monitoring things, and then I know what to watch. I'm prepared, and then I go in if things start moving like I anticipate. If they don't, though, I'll reassess, and we could do the exact opposite it wants to do. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's me done for now, and hope everyone's having a great day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment back to you. Thanks, and bye for now.